Today we're going to do a portrait of a special dog named Bo, the first dog of America, first family. The medium I'm using is Mulberry rice paper number 2 in our store. Mulberry rice paper number 2 with a strong fiber or vein, you can see. And the paint I'm using is acrylic on rice paper. I'm going to start with the forehead. Got a white chest. So I'm going to leave those white area. Use the ground color, the paper color, not use white. So be careful with that. The breed, they say, is a Portuguese water dog. This dog can swim and help the fishermen to catch fish. Very powerful legs. This is a puppy of only 7 months old, still growing, I think. It's a very long tail. The tail is thin but long, and with a long fur on the tip. And in the movement, you don't see very clearly, so when it runs, we just do suggestively. I'm going to add some dark to the eye. It's a very small eye, you don't really see. It's a hint. And I'm going to add some more dark. It's called wet in wet. You can see the mulberry paper is not smelling when you use direct paint method. But when you add on wet in wet, it smells and create a very furry effect. It's perfect for animal painting. This is not ink, acrylic, liquid acrylic. Or you can add water to acrylic, same thing. I'm going to sign. put my stamp. That completes the picture. Okay, I'm going to darken a little bit the body. So make the white stand out.